how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now to do this, you have to download the Process Explorer. So open a new tab in your browser and search for Process Explorer. Then click on the first link and you will be on this page. Here, scroll down and click on this download link and it will start downloading. Don't worry, it is safe because it is from Microsoft officials. Once it is downloaded, run it with administrative rights. Once it's opened, now find Roblox player beta.exe file, and under this you have to find Roblox singleton event and delete it. And that's all. You can close it now and run another Roblox. So that's basically how you can run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.